Now there is still one issue that I would like to address. I want to pick up these items to demonstrate it. So I'm going to hit the R key for the inventory. I'm going to move around the mushroom, and look, the mushroom shows up behind the keys because I picked up the mushroom first and then the keys later. So whatever is later is in front. So we can actually look at our inventory over here, inventory panel, grid space, and this is the order of the items that we have. And of course, we can't tell which one's mushrooms, but I think I picked up the mushroom first. So anything after that will show up in front of the mushroom. And of course, there's no shadow, so you can't really tell unless you try to overlap them. And that's when you can see that one item is over in front of the others. So how do we fix that? Okay, I'll tell you how to fix it. The inventory grid script. It's a fairly simple fix. What we're looking for is the pickup item method. So in the pickup item method, that's where we pick it up out of the inventory. It would make sense that whenever we pick up something, that whatever we're holding in our hand should always be in front of everything else. So right in here where we actually set the carried UI to following, we're going to add another line of code, and we're going to say carried UI.transform.SetAsLastSibling, and that will do just what we hope for. I'm going to go ahead and save the script. Let's go back and see how it goes. Hit play. Okay, I'm going to make sure I do it the same way this time. I'm going to pick up the mushroom first, and then the keys, and then we open the inventory, and then I'll pick up the mushroom and move it, and sure enough, it is now in front. Okay, so the mushroom's in front. I'm going to drop it back in the spot. I'm going to pick up one of the keys and move it, and it is in front. Yeah, it's a fairly simple, intuitive mechanic, but it requires the code to make it work. Whichever one we pick up is always in front of all of the others, even if we just picked up one before that was in front of the others at that time. The new one is always the front one.